Kellington Group bagged its largest job win to date earlier this week, and Kenanga Research says there will be more contracts to come. The research house kept its outperform call on the stock and hiked its target price to RM2.50 from just RM1.50 previously. Kellington last closed at RM1.66. Let's look at that contract win. It's a turnkey construction of a new semiconductor fab in Kuching for a US-listed memory company. Kenanga says at RM420 million, it's 4 times the size of typical contracts Kellington secures. Work will begin immediately as the US client is scrambling for capacity to keep up with the surge in memory chip demand. Kenanga says this contract brings year-to-date order wins to a new high of RM764 million, exceeding its expectation of RM500 million. Meanwhile, its outstanding order book has ballooned to another all-time high of RM822 million, which is more than double FY20 revenue and very close to its market cap. Kellington recently completed one of its large projects in Penang, so this job win couldn't have been timelier, as it now has sufficient resources to take on the new turnkey job. The research house expects the group to achieve back-to-back record revenue and earnings for FY21 and FY22. It raised its earnings forecast by 4% to RM32.3 million in FY21 and 33% to RM47 million in FY22. That's a growth of 85% and 46% respectively. It says Kellington remains its top hidden gem pick, owing to the group's healthy job pipeline and circular growth story. So what's the consensus? According to Bursa Marketplace, there are 2 buys and 1 hold on Kellington. Average target price RM1.82 versus the stock's last close of RM1.66. That implies a potential gain of about 9%.